this is LiteralLion, and I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I thought I would just do a quick video about how I ship the packages and like what comes in them and how it ships. I've taped something over the addresses so it can't be seen, but up here I have like the address, my address, their address, and then a little one of my business cards, and I usually do a cute little piece of art on the box, and inside the box I have the Kigu here all wrapped up nicely so that it doesn't get wet, or if the package gets damaged it should be safe. It fills up the majority of the box. It's like a perfect square box. And then I include one of these, and this has my business card in it, and this has my contact information on the back, a bag of food, not necessarily cheese, it's washing instructions, and this is the same card from the hood of the box. The hood of the box? Sure. I also usually include a badge with it. I still need to hole punch this because it's not quite ready to go yet, but this is usually inside this bag too. And that's mostly what I put inside the whole package. It usually ships in within like a couple of days. Just a quick update, because I know that a lot of people who watch my channel watch it for my this video that I made with this fursuit head, and I promise that I will make more of those, but I don't have the time or the money right now, but they'll happen. Anyways, thank you for watching this real quick video.